Welcome to another one of our pronunciation exercises. In this exercise, you'll have the chance to say the word that appears on the screen before listening to the correct pronunciation. The best way to learn a language and improve your pronunciation is to practice as much as possible. So repeat this exercise if you feel you need to. If you're already fluent with all the words in this exercise, feel free to move on to another one with different words and phrases. Good luck, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
火火火手机手机手机不不不谁谁谁肉肉肉
Well done.
山山山心心心冷冷冷哥哥哥哥哥哥学学学看看看
Well done.
牛奶牛奶牛奶名字名字名字电脑电脑电脑中华人民共和国中华人民共和国中国中国中国睡觉睡觉睡觉
Well done.
认识认识认识英语英语英语行行行天安门 天安门，天安门。下，下，下。木，木，木。
Well done.
喝，喝，喝。知道，知道，知道。明天，明天，明天。中，中，中。春天，春天，春天。深圳，深圳，深圳。
Great job.
毛泽东，毛泽东，毛泽东。想，想，想。热，热，热。南京，南京，南京。百，百，百。金，金，金。